At this, we've got ourselves some mason jar pouring lids. They come in, of course, the red and the blue, and the ones we have today are for the wide mouth version, but they do come in standard size as well. So first, let me show you how nice it is. You can just pop the lid on it. Now remember, depending on the size of the mason jar you buy, you can get these to hold an awful lot. And look at that. It just, the pour functionality of this is amazing. It works out so well. Now, of course, you can have something as smooth and liquidy as milk, or you can have yourself syrup in here as well. And remember, what you put in the jar is absolutely up to you, because you can put anything you want. It is dishwasher safe. They do recommend to have it on the top rack, which will mean it'll really last you a long time. Remember, masonry jars were the very first, recycle, reduce, reuse products ever invented. This can be used over and over again. And plus, remember, because masonry jars are glass, they're not going to contaminate the flavor of whatever you have inside of it. So you're not going to either contaminate the glass or vice versa. So you don't have to worry about it. Once you wash it, rinse it, and reuse it, you're going to be starting from scratch all over again. Nice thing about the covers being different colors is that you can really distinguish what's inside of it. If you have a whole bunch of them in the fridge, you know what you have inside the jar. You can easily spot the lids. So in coming to the nice features, of course, it's PBA free, so we know it's food grade and safe. It's easy to use, easy to open and close, just like a regular lid. That silicone stopper inside gives you a nice tight seal. So remember, once again, it is leak proof. Once you open up that tab, it's just going to pour right out. And when you have it closed, you give it a good shake. Even without putting your finger on top, it's not coming out of there. No worries. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out a bit in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next video. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now.